Hello, good evening. Aral tayo ngayon ng ating static fluids, no? So may tanong dito, which of the following is not a basic component of motion of a fluid element? So ito yung pagpipilian, hindi raw kasama sa basic component motion of a fluid element. Translation, rotation, angular distortion, or twist. So yung A, translation, yung B, rotation, yung C, angular distortion, yung D, twist. So ano kaya sagot natin dito? So dapat alamin natin yung motion of fluid, no? Components ng motion of fluid elements. So ito yung sagot, no? Sabi dito, the motion of a fluid element may be divided into three categories. Tatlong categories daw pwedeng division. Tatlo. Number one, translation. So, ang translation is a component. Correct. Rotation. Correct din. Andyan din siya. At saka distortion. So, may paliwanag ng konti. Distortion can be further subdivided into angular. So, may angular distortion ka. Hanap-bull yung distortion. So, yung wala dito sa choice, ito. So, ito yung sagot. Yung D. Hindi siya kasama sa component of motion of fluid elements. Okay? So, the only choice that is not a basic component of a fluid element is in motion is yung twist. Walang twist, no? Doon sa fluid elements or sa motion of the fluid elements. Okay? So, yun lang. Bye.